Apple's most ambitious iPhone project yet is finally taking shape, and leaks are painting a clear picture of what we can expect in 2026. The foldable iPhone, possibly called the iPhone Fold or iPhone Ultra, is rumored to be Apple's answer to Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold and Google's Pixel Fold, but with Apple's signature refinement. According to reports, the device will feature a compact book-style design with a 5.5-inch outer display and a 7.8-inch inner screen, almost identical to the original iPad mini in size. Unlike Samsung's taller approach, Apple may favor a more balanced aspect ratio similar to the first Pixel Fold, making it feel more natural when used as a phone or a mini tablet. A major talking point is the hinge, which has plagued foldables for years with unsightly creases and uneven surfaces. Apple seems determined to solve this with a new liquid metal hinge system designed to minimize or even eliminate the crease, both visually and to the touch. This perfectionist approach explains why Apple has taken its time while rivals experimented earlier. Authentication will also see a shift, with Touch ID expected to return instead of Face ID. A side-mounted sensor, like on the iPad Air and iPad mini, is the logical solution for a foldable design where a dynamic island would not fit seamlessly across displays. On the camera side, leaks point toward a simpler but capable setup. There will likely be 4 cameras, one on the outer display, one inside, and a dual system on the back, consisting of wide and ultra-wide lenses. Telephoto zoom seems unlikely, as this device is not meant to replace the Pro Max in camera performance but rather to showcase Apple's foldable vision. Under the hood, the iPhone Fold is expected to use the C1X chip introduced with the iPhone Air, though a C2X could debut by 2026, bringing Wi-Fi 7, 5G enhancements, and Bluetooth 6. Another exciting rumor is the inclusion of carbon lithium batteries, already used in devices like the Honor Magic V5 and Oppo N5, which would allow Apple to build an ultra-thin foldable, possibly under 5mm when fully opened, without compromising endurance. In terms of looks, Apple seems to be playing it safe at launch, sticking with black and white options, with more colors possibly arriving in later generations. Storage will likely start at 256GB or 512GB, scaling all the way up to 2TB for professionals and power users. Pricing, however, confirms this is a premium product. The starting point is expected to be around $1,800, in line with Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold and Google's Pixel Fold, while higher storage models could easily pass $2,000, similar to the current iPhone 17 Pro Max at top capacity. As for availability, the iPhone Fold is reportedly set to launch in September 2026 alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max, while the regular iPhone 18 lineup and the next iPhone Air may not arrive until early 2027. If these leaks prove accurate, Apple's first foldable could redefine not just the iPhone but the future of mobile design.